let's focus our attention on organic chemistry past question when it comes to what UniPort Post UTME, when it comes to what UniPort Post UTME. And this video, the full video will be available in our private or membership class, right? So if you have not joined the membership, check out when it's possible to join the membership. The link to share the full video will be in the description below, right? And I have about 25 organic chemistry questions that UniPort have asked over the years. Now, this past question will be made available to my private members. Just and so you have a lot to gain. You don't need to cover the whole organic chemistry. Just pick this question because you're going to see like 2 or 3 questions from these 25 questions I'm going to give to you. So it's going to be an advantage. You're just to study it very well, right? But for now, let's look at what question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. So let's look at what the first one. Please make sure you have to prepare your notebooks to take down every single thing. Now, the type of isomers shown in cis and trans the type of isomers shown in cis and trans isomers is dash. Now, remember, when it comes to what organic chemistry, we have isomerism. And isomerism is a phenomenon whereby 2 or more compounds have the same molecular formula but different structural formula, right? And there are 2 main type of what? There are 2 main type of isomerism. What we call structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Just now in the structural isomerism, we call the chain isomerism, what we call positional isomerism, what we call functional group isomerism. Now I've done a video on isomerism. Now, if you are my private student, by now you're supposed to see that video, right? And because I explain every single details on that isomerism aspect. Now, then in the stereoisomerism, we call geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Now, in the geometrical isomerism, this is where we find what cis and trans and E and Z. So when we talk about cis and trans isomerism, when we talk about cis and trans isomerism or E/Z isomerism, you're talking about geometrical isomerism. You're talking about geometrical isomerism. So in the exam, if you see cis and trans or E and Z, understand that the type of isomers there is what is geometrical isomerism. It is not positional, it is not functional group. It is not positional. Position is 2 times. Yes, supposed to be chain or optical here. Yes, yeah, it's optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. So the answer is not positional isomerism. It's not functional group isomerism. It's not optical isomerism, but it's geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is what is the answer. Do you understand? That is it. So we are done with the first one. We are done with the first one. Now, question 2. The product of the combustion of candle was R. Now, when you burn hydrocarbon, when hydrocarbon burn air, hydrocarbon. When hydrocarbon burn air, now there are just 2 products is going to produce. No matter the hydrocarbon chain, that it can be a small hydrocarbon chain or large hydrocarbon chain, right? The only 2 products you are going to get for combustion. Now, what do you understand by combustion? When you burn it in air. A good example, for example, here we have CH4 plus O2 is an hydrocarbon. What is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon, these are organic compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen only. So whenever hydrocarbon undergo combustion, there are 2 main products that is be formed, and the product is what CO2 plus what H2O. Now, candle wax is an hydrocarbon. We talk about candle wax. Candle wax is an hydrocarbon. So you also classify as this one here. So any hydrocarbon at all, no matter the length of the hydrocarbon, just that you just have to balance the chemical equation. Do you understand? For example, here we have CH4 plus O2. We give what CO2 plus what H2O, right? Now, even if you have to like C2H6O2, you just have to you see what CO2 plus what H2O, right? Now the next thing we want to do is to balance the chemical what reaction. How do you balance the chemical reaction here? Carbon is 1 here, carbon is 1 here, right? Hydrogen is 4, hydrogen is what is 2. You put 2 here, right? Then oxygen is 2 here, but oxygen is what is 2 here, 2 here.